Jeff Miller, CEO of Grand Rapids Chair Company.
The Lead 24/7 program really elicits practical tools that a CEO can use, a leader can use. And I felt like going in before I started the program, this is all about my team. My team needs this. What I didn't realize when I was talking early on with Roger is really I needed this probably more. This is a very strong program for a CEO, maybe early in their career or mid-career. I would say, the small investment that we made into Lead 24/7, paybacks in spades.
Nelson Sanchez. I am the CEO for Roman Manufacturing. Through the course of my time here and in my 40 years of experiencing with other companies, training and development, leadership training, highly episodic. You send people off to programs and they come back, and if they retain 5-10% of what they learned, you hope to gain something for it, and half the time it doesn't get used, gets forgotten, and I think it's just a lot of wasted money. I had a lunch with Roger and shared with him what I was looking for, what I needed. His team were great trying to deliver that, and absolutely delivered what I expected.
I think the coaching experience is very positive. Just having that one-on-one time on how to deal with conflict and how to deal with, sometimes it's peers, but sometimes it might even be a hierarchy system, right? How am I going to challenge my boss with some of these ideas? We have a new language we use, right? Which came out of the program, right? Which we all know what those words mean when we use them. So I think that's been very beneficial. We sort of recreated, our vocabulary as we use it as an executive team. I don't think it was an exorbitant amount if you were to take any one of those individuals and start to send them all out individually out to different coaching classes. I think you could probably come up on a similar sum, and you would have lost the opportunity to work together as a group, which I think was a very valuable part of the whole experience.
My name is Jared Allerding. I'm the Vice President of Operations for Grand Rapids Chair. Going through Lead 24/7 with the executive leadership team of Grand Rapids Chair, it was really that learning together. It helped us then, and it continues to help us now because it gives us a common language. I tend to be a culture builder as a leader. And for me, the living system spoke the most to me because it really is more or less the output of your inputs. And I'd never really thought of that culture building in that sense. I have had executive coaching before, but I've never really had it with like a set curriculum like the program was. So for me, being an operations leader, having that coach really helped hold me accountable to understanding the curriculum as well as using the curriculum and talking through how that execution was going. Bottom line, I definitely thought the program was worth going through. I thought it was highly effective and a really well-run program.
I'm Shay Hickman. I am the Chief People Officer here at Roman Manufacturing. My responsibility is mainly the team members here, making sure that they're taken care of, making sure also guiding, the culture in the organization. The coaching component of Lead 24/7, that was a bonus. I didn't realize coming into this program that there was going to be a monthly coaching component to it. But to bring Roman together, our team together in itself, we grew together, we learned together, we evolved and transitioned through this process together, creating that environment that we can disagree, but when we march out of that room, that we are united. It was a wonderful experience.
In my opinion, the Lead 24/7 program is the highest ROI for a CEO who doesn't have a meaningful, stable, well-deployed management system.
And, hearing others talk about dysfunctions in their organization and teams that aren't working together and their frustrations, immediately I share, my experience with Lead 24/7, what it's done for us, for our team. I'm not shy about being a Lead 24/7 disciple.